we're exceptionally lucky to have some representatives from the Navajo Nation in the United States, and there's an indigenous group in the United States, to come to Yakutia and share with the people of Yakutsk their indigenous culture, as well as to learn from the Sakha people examples of the Sakha culture. Sure, I'm not going to speak to any issues connected to the political side, but I will say that we're very happy to be here. We are very grateful to Yakutsk for their hospitality, and we look forward to a really excellent program. If any questions that are connected to the political situation, I would refer you to the embassy in Moscow to discuss. But I will say once again how pleased we are for the hospitality that Yakutsk has shown us. I believe that, and my tenure in the Russian Far East has been the last year and a half, but I believe that we've maintained a very positive relationship and have continually visited Yakutsk, as well as the rest of the Krais and the Okrugs and the republics in Russia, and we look forward to continuing to do so. The interest in Yakutsk, as well as throughout the rest of Russia, for my office, for the work that we're doing, is people-to-people relationships, and to continue to grow and to flourish in the people-to-people exchanges.